Get ready to rock around the Christmas tree with the hottest wireless headphones, as seen in the John Lewis ad. Headphone Christmas Tree. It's that time of the year again, when Christmas jingles start playing and supermarkets eagerly unleash their festive campaigns. But this year, the spotlight is on a heartwarming ad featuring a dad's nostalgic rave memories, triggered by a vinyl record spinning on a turntable. And here's where it gets tech-savvy. The ad showcases a pair of wireless headphones, worn by the son, which our eagle-eyed tech expert has identified as the Sony WH-1000XM6. These headphones are a true masterpiece, offering exceptional audio quality, top-notch noise cancellation, and crystal-clear call performance. As our review suggests, they are the epitome of wireless headphone excellence. But wait, there's more. The turntable in the ad is a Technics SL1500C, a 5-star record player with a built-in phono stage. This sleek machine is a must-have for audiophiles and vinyl enthusiasts alike. Now, here's the exciting part. With Black Friday just around the corner, you might be able to snag these premium gadgets at a discounted price. The XM6 headphones, usually priced at £349, could see a significant drop, making them an even more attractive purchase. And the Technics turntable, already reduced from £899 to £799, might just surprise us with an even lower price tag during the sales. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these gadgets worth the hype? Will they live up to the expectations of tech enthusiasts and audiophiles? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Party Popper.